Good day, and welcome to the Trends Where Things Are Shaping presentation for this exciting IT operations management focused Vivid virtual event. My name is Shane Cullens, and I am the Director of Strategy within Global Product Management for the Micro Focus IT Operations Management product line. In IT operations management, the biggest trend we are seeing from our customers across all regions and industries worldwide is the push toward simplifying hybrid IT management, the need for measurable improvements in IT's ability to manage across all hybrid environments and in all new technologies, across data centers, multiple clouds, virtual and container environments, virtually anywhere that technology exists. Micro Focus has been in the IT operations tooling space since we invented network management and server management 30 years ago. Today, I'll be talking about how to simplify IT transformation by leveraging our hybrid IT management strategy and products that support digital transformation. This transformation is a service-first strategy where hybrid compute, storage, network, and data are connected to deliver services to users. By hybrid, I'm implying that the service implementation may span data centers, software as a service, public cloud, mobile devices, nearly anything. Let's start with the unique value that Micro Focus delivers to your digital transformation journey in the hybrid IT world that we all live in. Every year, enterprise complexity increases and there is no end in sight. From mainframes to cloud to SaaS to mobile devices. Plus, every new service seems to need a dozen of these technologies linked together. To me, it's an exciting yet challenging time to be in IT. Enterprises face an increasingly diverse set of technologies to deploy and manage effectively. What can I say? Welcome to hybrid IT. Markets will be captured by companies that can successfully harness this hybrid IT environment. Micro Focus has a unique position and can help you run this entire environment and transform it by extending your existing investments rather than replacing them, lowering the risk, cost, and time to success. But transforming your hybrid environment will require a transformation of IT as well. Today, digital transformation is slowed by hybrid complexity. Most digital technologies provide possibilities for efficiency gains and customer intimacy, but these are not a guarantee of success or of results. Let's look at the facts. Forbes says that the investment in digital transformation initiatives has doubled in the past year. This is great news that the C-suite has recognized that their company is counting on digital transformation. 451 Research is reporting that 2/3 of organizations have already chosen to pursue a hybrid IT strategy. However, the Wall Street Journal has said that transformation can raise operational challenges and executives need to pay close attention. The summary is, companies are investing in digital transformation, they are using a hybrid IT strategy, and it's a hard challenge. Finally, the Harvard Business Review has written that 70% of digital transformation initiatives fall short of their initial objectives. Think about your own digital transformation project experiences. I'm sure you're seeing similar issues. Let's explore into this a little more. Complexity from all the available hybrid technologies is the enemy because it compromises IT effectiveness. Let's be blunt. Hybrid is hard. Real hybrid systems that work in the cloud while touching data centers are hard to architect, build, monitor, manage, update, and govern. And if a service is even slow, it might as well be down because bad experiences do lose customers. Traditional management tools are designed for and favor only one or two environments, so they do a poor job working across all hybrid environments. As a result, business initiatives may be delayed, costs increase, and a risk of a problem arises. To move ahead, you need to address hybrid complexity across all silos, and that includes dealing with your management software tool sets as well. Also, hybrid IT must transform to be service-driven. Improvements will come from more effective automation, which is exactly what the Micro Focus hybrid IT management solution delivers on. Let's talk about complexity within the management tool environment. In this standard technology flow, plan, build, deliver, and run, IT Ops focuses on the deliver and run areas on the right-hand side. For most, the IT Ops toolset is built similar to this diagram, where every gray box represents a management tool. On top of the tools is a web of integrations to deliver process workflows. These integrations are fragile due to the long list of tools that evolve independently with a never-ending list of upgrades. Is this strategy possible? Maybe, but you must assign a lot of staff to support a great number of different tools and their integrations. So what is a better management strategy? Get everything from a single vendor? It is a great concept since it makes integration someone else's problem. But you rip out tools and knowledge from the current ops team. Thus, a single vendor strategy results in increased cost and risk in the transformation, plus limits your options moving forward as hybrid IT continues to evolve. In reality, neither dozens of independent tools or a single vendor tool strategy is a good option. Instead, you need a connected services approach. We believe this different approach is needed, one that provides a consistent experience across hybrid environment for all users without sacrificing performance, security, or governance. Micro Focus calls this a connected services approach. This approach has four main areas. 1. Align tools to key functional areas within IT operations. 2. Keep the key tools that are already working well. 3. Focus on the value that each broad automated process will bring as it supports all hybrid environments at once. 4. Use Micro Focus solutions to fill the gaps. We don't ask you to throw out everything. There is a rational middle ground where you avoid the risk and cost of ripping and replacing tools that already work well. Plus, you avoid paying for building and maintaining an insane number of integrations between a large number of vendor tools. From lean manufacturing, we know that optimizing individual steps or tools does not optimize end-to-end flow. You must focus on a short list of well-defined value streams to improve. Micro Focus hybrid IT solutions are built around 4 value streams. Now, let's review these 4 primary IT ops functional areas. The first functional area is the face of IT to the business and the storefront for IT services. Too often, there are many systems and catalogs that users have to navigate, making IT interactions much more difficult than they should be. These multiple systems also increase the workload for the IT staff. IT needs to deliver intuitive self-service for both the business and IT users. We call those functional areas service management. The next functional area is all about delivering cloud and infrastructure resources and being able to keep pace with the demand from business and development teams, where IT can design and automatically deploy hybrid services, allowing users to help themselves to best fit services. We call this functional area service fulfillment. At the top right is an area we help IT use intelligent systems to operate more effectively, handling the problems that arise when operating across cloud and data center environments. To do this well, customers need to employ automated AI-based management, allowing IT to visualize the health of end-to-end services, proactively spot problems, and automate remediation. We refer to this functional area as service assurance. The last functional area is for IT to reassert their role in respect to governance. Hybrid complexity allows security vulnerabilities to hide and costs to grow. Patching, configuration, and compliance complexity can introduce weakness in clouds, servers, and networks. IT needs to reduce the risk of security breaches, ransomware, and unplanned cloud expenditures by having an effective security and compliance state, protecting important data sets, and keeping cloud costs visible. We refer to this functional area as service governance. Now let's drill into a couple of these functional areas. We use this diagram to visualize the 4 hybrid IT management functional areas and their interaction to the other areas of IT. First, the analytics and automation diamond on top of the 4 functional areas illustrates how we use a common orchestration tool for automation and the power of our AI ops when it has access to a broad set of data. The gray arrows radiating outward show how effective hybrid IT management benefits the enterprise in 3 ways. On the left, accelerating application delivery by supporting DevOps with an on-demand resources and monitoring. On top, enabling IT to deliver real-time insights to key stakeholders, quantifying IT's value. On the right, enabling a more consistent security stance due to improved compliance and governance sharing, along with automated threat responses. Now let's talk about each of these diamonds, starting with service management. Service management is focused on reducing the friction of IT service consumption. The digital economy has changed the way we all work, driving expectations for consumer-grade user experiences with intelligent, personalized self-service and zero wait time for every service at the office. Manual IT service management and enterprise service management tools cannot satisfy these demands. What's more, they are expensive to deploy, run, and maintain. Lacking visibility into the impact of changes and incidents on services, IT teams struggle to control outages, rising costs, and their own reputation. To meet these challenges, Micro Focus offers a single combined solution for enterprise service management, IT service management, and IT asset management. A solution powered by analytics and machine learning. Our out-of-the-box solution drives greater productivity, faster issue resolution, fewer recurring service outages, and lower ticket volumes. Delivering a fully integrated self-service portal empowers IT and business users. Entirely codeless configurations make upgrades easier, and automated discovery plus built-in analytics improve change rates and minimize unplanned downtime. In these ways, our solution provides an engaging service management experience that saves you money. Let's drill into the capabilities of service management. Let's look at the service management capabilities required to reduce the friction of IT service consumption. One self-service portal for all. Extending service delivery beyond IT with one fully integrated, easy-to-use self-service portal is key. Empowering IT and business users with natural language search, social collaboration, and 24/7 smart virtual agents with embedded machine learning. Mobile ticket submissions are extra easy. Users just send a snapshot from their phones. Increased efficiency with automated workflows and automated resolutions. Simply stated, get more done by automating IT and non-IT workflows and tasks. Resolve issues faster and eliminate incident reoccurrences with insights gained from analytics and machine learning. Build configurations without any code and deploy them freely in cloud or on-premise. When upgrades happen, your entirely codeless configurations will remain perfectly intact. Plus, there are out-of-box idle processes for you to use. Let's talk about informed change management. Execute changes quickly and successfully in the high-speed digital economy requires continuous discovery of the hardware, software, and services in your environment and in the cloud. Understand their interdependencies and manage them in a single view. Proactively assess the risk or impact of change using predictive analytics to make ongoing IT improvements. Your success rate for change will rise along with your service quality. Combined, you achieve lower cost and IT efficiency. And we deliver this with a compelling value versus ServiceNow. Next up is service assurance. Service assurance brings clarity to problems and resolutions. The complexity of hybrid IT makes monitoring and resolving issues extremely difficult. Today's operational data volumes are massive, thanks especially to IoT adoption. Finding root causes and remediating incidents is manually intense and painfully slow. Poor user experience threatens brand loyalty and revenue streams. With too much to do today, IT has trouble aligning their effort to business priorities. Despite these issues, IT must somehow accelerate MTTR, cut costs, demonstrate incremental value to the business, and partner effectively with DevOps to improve applications. That's a tall order we help with. Micro Focus Solutions empower IT with a service-driven, business-focused view of services across multiple clouds, traditional applications, and networks. Now the operations team can gain full visibility of their hybrid estate, remediate problems using automated AI ops, and uncover insights related to customer behavior, collecting operational data into a single data lake to provide faster fixes, valuable insight, and lower costs. Let's drill down into our service assurance capabilities that deliver clarity for problems and resolutions, starting with end-to-end monitoring. To provide full visibility of your hybrid IT estate, expand your view with agent or agentless monitoring across cloud, physical, and containerized environments. Discover IT resources and dependencies, then use them to build and continuously update business service models that fast-track problem solving. Consolidate all monitoring data, including data gathered from 200 third-party tools, into a single pane of glass. No need to rip and replace anything. Our solution includes built-in AI-based analytics and automated remediation. Spot red flags, uncover root causes, and resolve issues faster. Understand log, event, and metric data with machine learning. Swiftly analyze data from any source to detect anomalies and automate remedial actions with thousands of runbooks. You can reduce events by up to 90% and stop wasting time on noise. And share what you find with actionable insights. Present operations through a business lens. Build dashboards that stakeholders can access from any device to see the real-time impact of IT operations on the business. Provide fast feedback to developers. Help DevOps and business teams make better decisions, and they'll see you are a strategic partner. Now, let's talk about the Service Governance Diamond. Service Governance helps you reassert the governance role of IT. With your limited visibility into the state of risk within multiple clouds and data center, IT struggles to reduce vulnerabilities and maintain compliance. Until you can see clearly, security breaches, audit failures, regulatory fines, brand damage, and ungoverned costs are inevitable. Equally destabilizing is the effect of hybrid IT on traditional backup systems and processes. You need a way to preserve application availability while meeting recovery objectives, improving operational efficiencies, and cutting operational costs. Micro Focus Solutions provide a proactive and consistent approach to backups, configurations, patching, and cost governance across heterogeneous servers, databases, middleware, networks, and cloud services. Our approach gives IT the tools they need to reassert governance control over hybrid environments and support digital business success. You are able to overcome your current tool limitations to deliver a full view of your risk. Now let's look at the capabilities. The Micro Focus Service Governance Solutions provide a proactive and consistent approach to backups, configurations, patching, and cost governance across any type of system or network. Let's talk about patch, vulnerability, and compliance management. Reduced IT compliance and vulnerability risk for multi-cloud and multi-vendor server operating systems, databases, middleware, and networks. Now you can proactively and consistently track software configurations and running states. And we simplify backup and recovery. Employ an adaptive backup architecture that can scale across both traditional and modern platforms. Incorporate backup organically into the application lifecycle through workflow automation and advanced security capabilities to keep your data safe at every step of the backup process. Cloud cost governance eliminates confusion and finger pointing. Keep public cloud spending visible and more intentional using policy-based governance, analytics, and showback reporting to ensure business unit consumption remains controlled and within budget. Let's move to the fourth diamond, service fulfillment. Service fulfillment has many challenges. First, an extremely wide variety of service and resource requests must be fulfilled. High volume and many different requests outside of standard offerings. Everything must be provided fast. There is no time for old project-style builds. The variety and volume of resource requests from IT, business units, and app development teams is overwhelming. When IT is too slow to respond, business teams go rogue, consuming public cloud and third-party services without IT involvement. This makes central IT less relevant and removes the opportunity for IT to keep context or control over resources. Conventional methods for provisioning business-specific hybrid and tiered environments just takes too long. Private cloud is an attempt to make on-premises resources feel more like public cloud. But private cloud is not fully automated and is less flexible than public cloud, thus less attractive to business teams. This inconsistency can impact the quality, speed, and scale of delivering services and infrastructure. Finally, when workloads are being moved to the cloud, the whole project takes too long, is too inconsistent, and can cost too much. With Micro Focus service fulfillment solutions, you can automatically design and deploy cloud-agnostic services across hybrid environments, helping users help themselves to best fit service and reducing fulfillment cycle times. Cloud transformations is supported by identifying and migrating workloads to the cloud, including overall project management and the modernization of mainframe workloads. Let's look at the capabilities involved here. Micro Focus provides a solution for enterprise-wide service fulfillment to deliver at the speed of DevOps. DevOps team can enjoy faster, easier self-service provisioning. Infrastructure teams can efficiently aggregate, design, and provision services across multiple cloud and data center environments. IT teams can design and deliver services composed of any resource. Crafting adaptable designs and brokering allows you to minimize custom deployments with a streamlined set of service designs. You'll fulfill a wide range of resource requirements and dramatically reduce the number of catalog designs to maintain. You'll also deliver images from simple operating systems to architected, multi-tiered business environments. You can be the broker that delivers on the right cloud or on the right on-premise service to all users while maintaining IT visibility. Consistently deliver automated, scalable deployments. The Master Orchestrator enables the flexible execution of any service or infrastructure deployment and day 2 lifecycle actions or deprovisioning, in addition to fully automating any IT process. Adaptive automation uses options and deployment time choices to speed delivery, minimize manual effort, and improve quality. And workload migration from and to anywhere. Discover, plan, and execute large-scale cloud transformation and data center migration projects with minimal service disruption, risk, or costs. Solutions for mainframe application modernization and integration, speed cloud migration while securing your mission-critical data. Let's take a look at some of the products involved in the next couple slides. The service fulfillment function area is anchored by our hybrid cloud management product. Hybrid cloud management allows IT to design, provision, manage, govern, and migrate multi-cloud resources. Here are the capabilities that make this possible. Cloud aggregation and brokering allows IT to pre-select and immediately offer the right public cloud services directly from an on-prem catalog. Design and deploy a wide range of hybrid services using an adaptive designer. The adaptive designer provides two levels of abstraction. First, you abstract at the service design level to loosely couple the service definition with the underlying resources. Then, a second level of abstraction at the execution level to enable deployment with options. This minimizes custom deployments while meeting a highly diverse set of requests with a dramatically reduced number of catalog designs to maintain. Also, hybrid cloud management provides day two actions with our common master orchestrator. Then use a single marketplace to view and track all deployed resources across clouds and data centers. Lastly, discover, plan, and execute large-scale cloud transformation and data center migration projects with minimal service disruption, risk, or costs. Solutions for mainframe application modernization and integration, speed cloud migration while securing your mission-critical data. Now switching to our automation tool that supports all 5 diamonds. The core automation tool in the Analytics and Automation diamond is Operations Orchestration. Operations Orchestration enables seamless automation and orchestration of repeatable IT operations across teams, tools, and environments. The strength of the solution comes from a rich and regularly maintained out-of-the-box content library of more than 8,000 operation workflows, more than 300 application components, and more than 80 integrations. Operations orchestration has the power to orchestrate any infrastructure or application process across any infrastructure, physical, virtual, storage, network, cloud, and any application. Invoke it from any place, integrate it with anything. Content can be executed from any of the 4 functional areas. For the 4 functional areas, there are many use cases. Here are a few. Service management, full automation of enterprise service management processes like incident, problem, and change. Service assurance, end-to-end automation for multiple use cases, including remediation. Service fulfillment, cloud and hybrid resource deployment, including day 2 management. Service governance, compliance, remediation for network and data center, plus disaster recovery. Let's talk about adding a bot on top of the operations orchestration to increase the value. Robotic process automation is also part of the Analytics and Automation diamond. Robotic process automation allows organizations to create, manage, and execute any number of computer bots to mimic the actions of a human to simplify or scale repetitive, error-prone, or overly complicated business transactions. These bots can quickly and accurately interact with any combination of user interfaces, APIs, and data to manipulate applications. Robotic process automation offers organizations a practical way to solve this challenge in a way that does not alter the existing IT architecture. Robotic process automation brings together 2 of our proven powerhouse products in a single product. It combines our unified functional testing, recording, and our operations orchestration automation to record pretty much any UI and to connect the recordings to almost any process. Design in your way, visually or with code. Build cross-platform robots with one product. Scale your robots up or down as workloads change. Control your robot's security from a central dashboard. Use resilient robots that keep processes flowing smoothly when change happens. That's the Micro Focus robotic process automation. tool. Now let's see how hybrid IT management from Micro Focus is used in real life. The Istanbul Grand Airport is a great example of what our customers accomplish. A little background. This airport opened last year and is one of the top 20 largest airports in the world. As a new airport, it is filled with fancy technology and unlimited challenges, and sights to see and stores to shop in and everything else. Like every IT project, there were very tight deadlines. IT needed to consider internal customers, airport departments, as well as provide network services to everyone associated with the airport, such as airlines, ground services, food and beverage, duty-free shops, hotels, cargo companies, medical facilities, even a hospital. It is a highly complex airport environment, or should I say, a highly complex enterprise IT environment. 750 different IT rooms, 3 data centers house 5,000 servers and 6,500 network devices, 40,000 Internet of Things devices such as cameras and intercoms and AC units, elevators and escalators that are all connected to the network. A large enterprise for sure, with all the enterprise readiness required for 24/7 operations. Like you and me, none of their customers want delays of any type at an airport. With tight deadlines and a very large variety of customers, it became clear that self-service IT was critical. They needed on-demand private cloud resource provisioning, so anybody could come and get compute, network, and storage. Server provisioning with compliance, including a complete software stack. Monitoring across cloud and data centers with AIOps correlation and automated remediation. And lastly, real-time discovery of configurations, including topology, as everybody else was deploying their services into their network. To do this, the Istanbul Grand Airport used the Micro Focus hybrid IT management solutions to deliver great results. By the numbers, 100,000 data points recorded, analyzed, and actioned every hour, with 150,000 key metrics constantly being monitored. They accelerated service delivery by 12 times over what they did at the previous airport. They increased IT administrators' productivity by 80%. It's an amazing result. And they are not finished leveraging Micro Focus solutions. They are now working to define more process automation and remediation automation that can even make them more efficient. Wrapping this up. At Micro Focus, we believe the quickest, surest way to get results is to build on what already works. Every enterprise has created their own tool sets, but parts can be redundant and fragile. Micro Focus has designed a set of proven enterprise scale management solutions that can be integrated with and work alongside legacy and cloud tools to simplify the complexity of managing hybrid IT environments. While every path to simplifying IT complexity is different, Micro Focus has the scale and flexibility to address your unique enterprise needs. I look forward to continuing our conversation about how we can work alongside your team to help you simplify complexity and transform IT into a service-driven organization so you can fully participate in the digital business success. Thank you for attending this session on simplifying your IT transformation with the Micro Focus strategy and products. Thank you again.